Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to turn off call recording on iPhone. So let's get started. First, you can check a third-party call recording apps. Open the Settings app and scroll down and look for any installed apps that allow call recording. Tap the app and disable the microphone access or delete the app if you no longer need it. And also, you can check the screen recording or the voice memos. Swipe down from the top right or the control center, and if the screen record is enabled while on a call, tap the red recording icon to stop it. Also, check the voice memos app, stop or delete any ongoing recordings. You can also revoke microphone access. Just go to the settings and click Privacy and Security and select Microphone. Here, toggle off any apps with access to your microphone that may be recording calls. And by default, iPhones don't record calls automatically. So if your calls are being recorded, it's most likely from a third-party app or services that you can disable or uninstall. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.